I am Agustin. I wear t-shirt, jean, and shoes.
Hello teacher, my name is Elena. This is my bedroom. This is my bed. This is my pillow. This is my blanket. This is my chair. This is my computer. This is my table. This is closed. Buenas tardes, mi hija Chacho, y voy a hacer la tarea de inglés de la grade 2.
Okay. Sacha, are there any sofas?
Yes, there are.
Oh, good. Sacha, is there any train?
Yes, there is.
Good. Sacha, is there any TV?
Yes, there is.
Okay, good. Sacha, is there any flower?
No, there isn't.
Okay, good. Sacha, are there any pictures?
Yes, there are.
Okay, good. Sacha, where is the fridge?
The fridge is in the kitchen.
Good. Sacha, where is the train?
The train is over the table.
Okay, good. Sacha, where is the bottle?
The bottle is on the floor.
Okay, good.
Good morning, Miss Payam and my friends. I am Valeria and I will talk to you about the senses. The senses are very important in our life because they are used to collect information about the environment that surrounds us and to make decisions. The senses are 5. 1. The hearing allows to distinguish the sounds. 2. The taste allows to perceive the flavors. 3. The smell allows to perceive smells. 4. The touch. It serves to recognize the things. 5. The sight allows us to see everything. Thanks.
Hello, Miss. Hello, friends. My name is Manuel Alcántara de Esposol. Y hoy día voy a presentar the 5 sensor. With my eye, I can see my TV. With my ear, I can hear my radio. With my tongue, I can touch my breath. With my hand, I can feel my dog. With my nose, I can smell my dinner. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, friends, por escuchar mi video. Cuídense. Hasta la próxima. Goodbye.
Hello, Miss Payam. I usually wake up at 7 and 13 in the morning. Then my mom takes me an oat bowl, a glass of milk, a piece of bread with butter. Sometimes on weekends she makes me pancakes with orange juice because they are my favorites. My mom makes me Peruvian food for lunch every day. And my favorite is causa limeña, but I hate arroz chaufa. Finally, for dinner, my family and I usually have toast with milk or coffee. Thank you.
Good morning, Miss Payan. Today I am going to tell you about my daily meals. For my breakfast, I eat pancakes with some fruits and milk. For lunch, I eat chicken noodle soup, spaghetti bolognese with munya drink and a piece of chocolate. At dinner, I enjoy an onion soup with a munya drink. On weekends, my mother prepares scrambled eggs, so sausages with cassava and strawberry milk shake for breakfast. My lunch is chaufa with meat salad, and my dinner is a delicious vegetable soup, vegetarian chaufa and strawberry juice. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Valeria. I want to tell you the difference between weather and climate. 1. The weather is what are happening and the climate is what is being predicted. 2. The weather changes and evolves every day and the climate remains relatively stable. 3. The science that studies weather and meteorology, while climatology is the science that studies the climate. Thank you for your attention.
King Tut was a pharaoh of ancient Egypt. He was born in 1342 BC before Christ. King Tut ruled from 1334 to 1325. His death was a mystery. Many people indicated that he was murdered, but the king had some injuries on his body that made him doubt his mystery death. Okay. Acá se puede ver. No puedo ver la imagen yo. Bueno, acá se puede ver la que acá se puede ver el estatua de oro del faraón. Acá está su cadáver. Y ahora vamos a hablar del ejército chino. ¿Qué pasa? Okay. The terracotta soldiers or warriors constitute an archaeological collection of 8,000 Life-size clay figurines representing the army of the first emperor of China. Ok, acá se puede ver lo que son las estatuas de la Terracota Army, que venía a ser 8.000 estatuas de soldados hechas por terracota. Terracota tendría que ser clay, que como un material liso, no sé cómo lo puedo indicar, como material para hacer esculturas.
Hello everybody, my name is Francisco Arieta, and now I'm talking about the amazing discovery of King Tut. Egypt is full of really exciting and ancient discoveries, but the most famous is the tomb of King Tutankhamun, King Tut. Who was King Tut? He was an Egyptian boy who became a ruler in 1133 BCE at the age of 9. We know from the date of some artifacts that he ruled until he died when he was 19. King Tut was buried with all the objects he would need in his next life, hundreds of gold objects and over 3,000 treasures. Why did the king die so young? The cause of his death is not known. When his mummy was analyzed in 1968, scientists found broken bones in Tut's skull. Later, that showed that he broke his legs before he died. A DNA test showed that he had malaria. No one knows how he died.
Hi teacher, my name is Michaela and this is my project. The mummification. Mummification was believed that is the ancient Egypt to preserve the body for the afterlife. The first step is to open the body and remove all your organs, except for your lungs. Then we will cover the body with salt, and we will leave it for once the 4 days have passed. We will put sin oils and vegetable resin on the body. When we apply thick layers of resin to stick sheets of linen, which will be wrapped around the body. The mummy will be placed on the underboard. To place more garbage. In the mummy, we will place a mummified ibis, a walking green with a dim beak. After placing the objects, we will with more layers. And for bed, assure we will put long spears of linen. We will place the powder on the mummy. In this case, it is from Heracles. We will put a large linen cloth around the mummy. The stone was painted red, fastened on lead. We will place Egyptian symbols of protection and reverence. And finally, we will place the mummy's name of her fate. And this is now our mummy looks.
Good morning, Miss. Today I am going to explain about mummification. Mummies are specially preserved bodies. It's known that the Egyptian pharaohs had their mummified corpses. They believed that when they passed away, their spirits would travel to the land of the dead. Only if their bodies were properly preserved. Mummification is a long process. First, the brain and heart are removed. The body is then treated with preservative and wrapped in lined bandages. Mummies were often buried with supplies such as food, furniture, and wooden figures of slaves to serve them in the afterlife.
My name is Horianka and I will talk about my favorite sport and my favorite personality. My favorite sport. Swimming is my favorite sport. Since I was little, I loved swimming. And until now, I have kept that great passion for this sport. My favorite personality. Usain Bolt is my favorite personality because he is a good player and very passionate and was considered the fastest man in the world. Thank you so much, teacher. Bye.
My favorite sport is volleyball, and my favorite volleyball player is Natalia Malaga for her courage and her passion for volleyball, both as a player and as a coach. Acá podemos ver lo que es el voleibol y también acá a la entrenadora Natalia Malaga. Sí. Gracias.